Snap-on Training Solutions helps you get the most out of your TRITON-D8 diagnostic tool. I'm Jim Moritz, Global Field Trainer and Sales Support Representative. This training module covers the scanner ID and codes functions. The first step in diagnosing any vehicle is to select the vehicle ID. Your starting point to IDing a vehicle is via the scanner icon on the home page. The vehicle ID must be entered into the scan tool so test data displays correctly and to ensure communication with the vehicle's electronic control module, or ECM. A vehicle can be identified in one of three ways: Instant ID, Auto ID, or Manual ID. Instant ID and Auto ID will work on most vehicles 2008 and newer. Instant Vehicle Identification is a built-in scanner feature that will save you time when identifying a vehicle by automatically communicating with the vehicle to complete the vehicle identification process. Before connecting the data cable to the vehicle's OBD2 data link connector, switch ignition to key on engine off. Now connect the lighted data cable to the OBD2 connector. The TRITON-D8 will automatically power up if not turned on already. Wait for the beep. You can then use scanner or quick lookups with the vehicle identified. Depending on the vehicle, Instant ID may occur automatically and only ask you to confirm the vehicle, or additional screen prompts may be displayed to enter other vehicle information. Some vehicles send vehicle ID through the OBD2 connector and can ID automatically. Select the vehicle make and model year. Select Automatic ID and the tool displays the configuration and engine and completes the ID process. To manually ID a vehicle, follow the screen prompts. Each selection advances you to the next screen. The exact sequence varies by the vehicle make, model, and year. Select the vehicle make from the menu. If necessary, use the scroll bar on the right to page down for more choices. In this case, we will select Demonstration, then select the model year, select any other options. Some models have more than one configuration. For example, a four-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive vehicle. Select the engine size. You can select the engine displacement or use the vehicle identification number from the vehicle. The VIN position for engine is shown at the top of the screen, and the choices are listed on the menu alongside the selections. If the vehicle ID is correct, select OK. Otherwise, choose Cancel to re-enter any information. You will then land on the Intuitive Vehicle System menu. By default, this intuitive menu sorts the numerous modules on the vehicle by category. If you don't want to view the systems by category, they can be displayed in alphabetical order by selecting the icon on the top of the screen. This is the main scanner menu for the vehicle. Depending on the vehicle, the code scan option may be available from this menu. This one-touch code scan function works on most vehicles 2006 and newer, and 40 makes are supported. This code scan function will scan all vehicle modules for fault codes, including generic OBD2 codes. This is a great place to start any diagnostic procedure, as many modules may store codes that do not have an indicator lamp on the dashboard. The Clear All Codes Read by Code Scan function will clear all fault codes, including generic OBD2 codes. This is a great place to finish any diagnostic procedure. The remaining selections will be for accessing individual modules on the vehicle. These selections will vary from vehicle to vehicle, depending on how it is equipped. To see more, use the scroll bar on the screen or the arrow buttons on the thumb pad. To begin a full vehicle code scan, select Code Scan. A percentage complete will display at the top indicating the active scanning progress. Once completed, the results are displayed as a categorized system list with diagnostic trouble code totals in the order they are scanned. The scan also includes codes from the OBD2 side of the PCM and will also show readiness monitor status. Selecting the Save icon from the Code Scan toolbar saves the code scan results as a .xml file. The XML file can be reviewed by selecting previous vehicles and data from the home screen. Select View Saved Data, then select the XML file from your saved list. When opened, the file displays basic vehicle information and a list of diagnostic trouble codes with a brief description. You can also use the Snap-on Cloud, altusdrive.com, to view and share files. To learn more about this feature, please see the Snap-on Cloud training module in this series. Saved DTC XML files can also be transferred to a personal computer using ShopStream Connect. Once the diagnostic tool is connected to the PC, XML files can be viewed, printed, transferred, and copied. XML files transferred with ShopStream Connect are text files containing vehicle information and the diagnostic trouble code list. ShopStream Connect is a companion program that is available online at no charge. Please visit this website and download the free application. Using the system icon allows you to quickly jump to the main menu of any of the vehicle's systems. This is useful if you wanted to perform a functional test, check data, or clear codes in one specific system. To view the main menu for a system in the list, highlight the system on the screen, then select the system icon. Select the back icon to return to the code scan screen. To manually scan an individual system, select the desired system to diagnose. Don't forget to scroll down for more that may not be displayed on the first screen. Use the scroll bar at the right to scroll down. Let's diagnose the engine system. Navigation for all other systems is similar. Select the Codes menu to access the diagnostic trouble codes from the module. Select Display Codes. This opens a list of diagnostic trouble code types, or DTCs, stored in the ECM. Select DTC Display. A list of DTCs appears along with the code description. Snap-on is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your diagnostic tool and keep your customers happy. Be sure to watch the rest of the modules in this Training Solutions series.